There are 10 stages that the coffee has to go through before you start to enjoy a cup of coffee. Mavis Bank Coffee Factory is one of the companies that was formed in the 1920s that prides itself in the growing, the processing and the exporting of the finest coffee in the world, Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. Coffee has a strong history dating back to 1726 when it was imported by Sir Nicholas Laws in Jamaica, the then governor from England, and it was brought here and planted at Temple Hall in St. Andrew. The Arabica typical coffee was the variety that was planted here, and the Jamaican farmers continue to grow this coffee over many years. And history, its quality, its taste, its rank among all coffees in the world has certainly shown and demonstrated without a shadow of a doubt that Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee is the very best coffee in the world.